Hey boss, I'm going to lunch. You want anything? Ooh, what you doing? Oh, hey girl. I'm just doing a little shoe window wishing, on the really expensive sites like, Jimmy Choo, Christian Louboutin, Manolo BLAHNIKs. Honey, Manolo BLAHNIKs? Those are like the most expensive shoes. I mean, come on, they're only like $995. Like, you don't even pay me enough to be here. What makes you think you can afford some Manolo BLAHNIKs? Let me live my Carrie Bradshaw fantasy.
But then I thought to myself, since I can't afford real Manolo BLAHNIKs, why not DIY them? Lusciously wicked. She's oh so wicked.
What's good, my beautiful wicked darlings? It's your girl, Lusciously Wicked Cosplay, coming to you on this video. Hi! And welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry that I've been kind of MIA, but I did warn you guys, this is to be expected. So be prepared to be surprised when I drop a video. But if you do keep up to date with me on my IG and Facebook page, you'll kind of know a little bit about what's going on with my cosplay life as well as my showgirl life or performing life. Now let's get into these life updates. Recently, I just celebrated my 30th birthday and I went to New Orleans and I got a chance to perform with a lot of fabulous New Orleans performers as well as some of the guest performers who came out of state as well. My God, it was just an experience. The food, so good. The drinks, the atmosphere, the friends that I've met in person, the people that I've got a chance to meet, I give it all 10s across the board. And I would definitely do it again, most definitely. I'm also competing in Miss Motoblot 22. I actually did complete last year for Miss Motoblot 2021 and I made top 5. That event was just one of the greatest events I had been a part of. Basically, Motoblot is a big party of motorcycles, motorcycle enthusiasts, motorcycle riding clubs, all that types of wonderful things. We got vendors, performers, motorcycles, and of course the fabulous pinup contest. So we got all that rolled into one. It's definitely a party. So if you are available or in Chicago, June 24th through the 26th, come on down to Motoblot. We would love to have you. And I will be also linking my video submission to Miss Motoblot 2022 in the description below as well. And I would like, if you can, give that video a like, comment, and a share. Definitely would appreciate it, and I hope I can count on your vote. Now, this is something that I have not introduced onto my platform yet. It's my showgirl lifestyle or my performance lifestyle. I've been performing my whole entire life. I've just dabbled into different forms of performances as I've gotten older. And that's something that I have not ever steered away from. Theater is my passion. I love doing it. I love being crazy and exuberant and being like out there. And live theater is definitely something that allows me to do that. And speaking of live theater, this is what this video is about. I am involved in this fantastic show right here, Sex and the Windy City, which is a fabulous musical parody of the original Sex and the City, where we follow our 4 favorite fabulous girls to the Windy City. And this show is absolutely it's going to be so much fun. I cannot wait. And the show is going to be on June 10th, 11th, 17th, and 18th. This show is directed by my good friend, Miguel Long. The lyrics are by Miss Amanda Recupito. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And also she helps out with Miss Sheena Laird with the choreography as well. And the composer and musical direction is done by Miss Amanda Murphy. We call her Murph though. This show is going to be absolutely fabulous. You're going to be falling head over Manolo BLAHNIK heels for this musical parody. I promise you. But speaking of Miss Carrie Bradshaw, honey, Me and her got a lot in common. I swear we do, especially when it comes to expensive taste in shoes. Y'all know the shoes I'm talking about. Y'all know. Yes, those infamous royal blue Manolo Blahniks. And honey, them shoes are a pretty penny. That's not something to play with. Those shoes are really expensive. And although I may not be able to afford them yet, I will be DIYing them today. So join me on this lovely journey where we're gonna turn this into this.
Hello, lover.
Gorgeous, right? I can't wait. I'm so excited. I hope you're excited. So without further ado, let's get this tutorial started, shall we?
All right, guys, we're going to start with the materials. Here are your following materials, and I will be sure to link all of these materials in the description below. All right, I've already taken the liberty of rhinestoning the shoe with my sapphire blue rhinestones, and I just didn't want to bore you guys with my full-fledged rhinestoning. So what we're doing is the actual buckle piece that goes at the toe. So I did an orientation of small and large rhinestones just to give a little bit of dimension. And right now you see me here starting with the top piece and creating the actual shape. We're gonna take our glue. Oh my God, guys, this glue is amazing. It is better than E6000. It dries within literally 2 to 3 minutes. And it does smell a little bit bad, and you might need to work in a ventilated room, but the glue is just mwah, chef's kiss. As I continue to create the shape with the claw stones, I will adjust them accordingly. I was able to use my other shoe as the reference, so that way I was able to create the shape on how I wanted it. Always, I definitely recommend doing this beforehand because it makes the process go so much quicker. Now, as you can see, we're almost done with the bigger shape. We're gonna now go on to the smaller stones to give it its dimension. A little pro tip when using glue that is coming out of a tube. Please be sure to put the cap back on your glue. It does tend to squeeze out even without the pressure being applied to it. So when you're using your glue, after, just be sure to put the top back on. Lastly, we are adding the finishing touches to the shoe, which are the smaller claw stones. These give the shoe and the shape a little bit more dimension and also gives it a little bit more sparkle. So we'll do one side where we have a surrounding perimeter of smaller claw stones all the way around, and then we'll repeat on the other side. Now, before this video is done, I would like to know, which Sex and the City character are you? Me personally, I'm a Carrie Bradshaw with a little bit of Samantha Jones. Leave in the comments below, which Sex and the City character are you? And just like that, you have your very own Manolo Blahniks.
And that is it, my beautiful wicked darlings. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I hope you guys had as much fun watching it as much as I had actually doing it. And if you are looking to recreate this tutorial, I will be sure to leave all the materials in the description below. And I hope you guys are able to check out Sex in the Windy City, opening June 10th, 11th, 17th, and 18th. And I will also leave the ticket link in the description below. And we're gonna end on a good note. I'm gonna also leave my Miss Motoblot 2022 video submission also in the link in the description below. I can really appreciate your like, comment, and a share. I hope I can count on your vote. Mwah! I hope I see you at Motoblot 22 as well. And if you're liking what I am doing on my fabulous channel, please, 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 please do not hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. And to see more of me, you get to hit that notification bell, okay? And I hope you guys are having a great time wherever you are in the solar system. I love you guys dearly, and I'll see y'all later. Mwah! Bye.